Hey everyone, in today's video we will see plenty of examples where speed and too much confidence lead to straight into serious trouble. It's always better to learn from the others' mistakes, so check this out and ride safe.
There's a jigsaw, bro. Baby!
Go. This is a clear example of the rider who overestimated his abilities, and with traffic this heavy it didn't take long for the outcome to show. This rider picked up a lot of speed and wasn't expecting the car in front to brake. He made a big mistake by reacting too abruptly and he completely lost control of his bike.
Adesso quando arriverà il visito io
Lo so.
cazzo facevate?
Here we have a situation where a truck stopped in his lane just after the corner. The rider tried to avoid it, but he couldn't make it. The driver wasn't happy with the group of riders taking the entire lane and tried to overtake them at all costs. Things could have gone without bigger problem if either side had simply backed off.
Oh, imbecille! Ma che cazzo fai? Coglione! Coglione! Ma non te, pezzo di merda! Ma vaffanculo te, coglione! Ma se proprio... Dai, fermati! 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 Fermati qua! Imbecille! Imbecille, coglione! Ma sei un imbecille, stronzo! Sei un pezzo di merda! Imbecille! Imbecille!
If you're a small content creator, use this sound to gain at least 100 new subscribers. Don't believe me? Try it yourself.
The rider in front clearly wasn't ready to take the corner at such speed, and he ended his ride by completely wrecking his bike.
Si v pohodě? Ty kráso.
Doing?
Another comparison site, try and see what.
They were going a bit fast.
Hey, we're just gonna pull over here, okay? I just don't want you to take off on me. What? We're gonna pull over here.
I didn't know what happened.
No, I'm just stopping you because your license plate is bent. I don't want you taking off on me. I get guys taking off on motorcycles all the time on me.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah, just let me take the...
And this thing is unbelievably loud, by the way. What'd you do to make it so loud?